Nothing makes me cringe more than seeing shoes packed like that. I'm the gear editor here at Afar. I've lived in New York for 18 years and can see the gum, dirt, and grime that builds up on the bottom of my shoes. During my travels, I've gathered sand from Bali on my flip-flops, mud from Iceland's trails on my hiking boots, and red dust from the deserts of Jordan on my sneakers. It's why I don't let my boots, sneakers, flats, or flip-flops touch anything else inside my luggage. It's not that I'm convinced the germs on my shoes are going to make me sick. It's more of the thought of all the crud on your soles coming in contact with your clean clothes, your toiletry bag, or even a hat that touches your head. If you've made it this far, you're probably ready to pick up some travel shoe bags stat. The quickest fix are plastic grocery bags or large Ziplocs. But there are a few sturdier and more sustainable options. One free option is using the small cloth drawstring bag that some companies use instead of a paper or plastic shopping bag. If you're looking for something more water resistant than a cloth shoe bag, Bagoo's 3D Zip Set includes 3 zippered pouches made from recycled ripstop nylon that is machine washable. The smallest one isn't big enough for shoes. I use it for toiletries, but the medium-sized pouch easily fits a pair of ballet flats, sandals, or espadrilles. I'm a woman size 8 for reference. The largest Bagoo pouch is better for shoes that don't lie flat, like Birkenstocks or sneakers. Need something extra large and waterproof for your mud-caked hiking boots? This shoe cube can fit a single pair of mid-cut hiking boots, like these Danners here. Though REI discontinued the specific product I'm using in this video, other brands like Eagle Creek and Peak Design also make similar products. After I return home, I pop the bags in the wash and let them air dry before I put them away to use on my next trip.
Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in buying any of these products, the links are below.